Welcome to my kitchen. Today we have something really different and exciting. We're going to be making Tabla's chicken curry. And we've got Chef Sejan Prem from Tabla, who's going to run us through the whole process. But this one's going to be a little bit different because if you've ever tried to do an Indian recipe, you get your recipe and you go to the store and you have to buy so many ingredients, and you do one recipe and then maybe don't use them for a while and they go bad and you throw them away. Well, Tabla came up with a really terrific idea, and it's also for a really good cause. We'll talk about that in just a minute. But what Tabla is doing is they're putting together the meal kit for you with the right amount of ingredients so that you can just pick this meal kit up with everything in it, including the chicken, from either location in Orlando or the new one in Winter Park. And it's a really, really good deal. And the proceeds are going to help an organization that Shivi's going to tell us about right now. Tell us what the organization is, Shivi.
Hello, my name is Shivi Jain, and I'm a founder of Cooking for Cause along with my little brother Sahil. And so we developed Cooking for Cause as a way to make money to help support different organizations. We do upcoming cooking classes for each month, and all the proceeds we make will go to a certain charity. So this year we've started Eko Vidyalaya. It is a nonprofit organization that helps give education to rural tribes in India who are extremely poor can have access to the basic education and can at least go to school and do something. So these meal kits are as a new way to help raise money. You pay a certain amount for the meal kit, you get to make a specialty curry chicken, and you get to deliciously enjoy it.
How much are the meal kits?
It's actually $40 per meal kit.
$40 for a meal kit this serves 4 people?
Yes.
That's a really good deal. That's really great. And to make it even better, you're going to get expert advice on how to prepare it. And that's your cue, Sejan. You're going to show us how to make this wonderful chicken curry.
This is the meal kit, sir. You can see it has all the ingredients what is needed for the basic chicken curry. It has the onion, the ginger, and the tomatoes, cilantro, and we have the chicken, and we have the curry masala, which is we made it, and the cumin. And first thing I would also like to say, because this idea came through my boss Nora and Shivi. So they have come up with this idea, as you all know, and she wanted the rice also to be served along with the chicken curry, so we are giving rice also.
Oh, that's a great deal.
Extra, yes. So this is Nora's behind it. And then we have all the basic spices, so you don't have to go to the store, and everything is under this kit.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah. So we'll start up making
Let's go.
this.
I'm anxious.
This curry.
Heat oil in a cooking pan on a low flame. Add the whole cumin, and when it splutters, add chopped onions and saute till transparent and pinkish in color. Add chopped ginger and garlic and fry till golden brown. Helpful tip: raw smell will go away by then. Add chopped tomatoes, chopped green chili, optional, salt, curry spices provided in one box with the meal kit, cook till it's soft and mushy. Add chicken and 1 cup of water, mix well. Cover with the lid. Keep cooking on a low flame till the chicken is tender, approximately 25 minutes. Check for chicken tenderness and add another cup of water if you want more gravy. Let it boil 1 time on a medium flame. Dish it in your bowl and garnish with chopped cilantro. Wash rice a couple times with clean water and set it aside in a bowl with some water. Heat oil in a cooking pan on a low flame. Add whole cumin and cloves, and when the oil sizzles, add chopped onions and saute till transparent and pinkish in color. Add 2 cups of water and salt to taste in the cooking pan and bring to a boil. Carefully drain water from the soaked rice, open the lid, lower the flame if you have it on high, and add soaked rice to the boiling water. Leave it on a simmer with the lid covered till rice is fluffy and cooked. Dish out in a rice tray and garnished with chopped cilantro.
So I want you also to try this, sir, and let us know how did you like it, sir.
Okay, I'm going to give it a try. I've got all my ingredients here. I've even got my apron.
Also have
Yes.
that too.
So thank you both for running me through that. I'm gonna get my kit open and cook, and then I'll get back with you and show you how I did. So I'm going to show you my dish here. Okay, that's my dish.
Wow, that looks nice.
This is a really terrific recipe. I'm really glad to have you show me how to do this.
Thank you,
And
sir.
I'm really thrilled that you're doing the meal kits so that people can come to the restaurant and pick this up, take it home, watch the video with your instructions.
Yes,
And
sir.
they're doing something good to help people out. Thank you for everyone who joined us, and we'll see you again next time.